All right, I'm here out on the shop floor at Ambro Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and today we're making bandanas for a client. So I'm going to ask the printer a few questions. So Jenny, what method are we using here on these bandanas?
Okay, we are using discharge ink. This is a quality of kind of ink that we work with.
Okay, in order for discharge inks to work, what type of fabric does the bandana have to be?
We have to work 100% cotton fabric.
Okay, so with discharge inks, the bandanas have to be 100% cotton. And what are some of the benefits that our customers get when using discharge inks?
They will get, a good quality of bandanas with this kind of.
Okay, the bandanas are generally softer when we print with this type of ink. So let's walk over and take a look at the production of these bandanas. So there you have it. We're printing bandanas at Ambro Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey using discharge inks for a soft feel on the bandana.